My name is Alex Peonas. I'm from Bulacau Class 10. Third year college. This is my tax 2 topic, student educational research and expression. Introduction. Speech for education, expense and professional. Educational technology refers to the integration of hardware and software into teaching and learning process and aiming to enhance educational outcomes. It draws in theories from various fields, including learning science and instructional design, and address key issues such as access, equity, and policy in education. Historically, the use of tools for various fields, including learning science and instructional design, and address key issue. Speech in professional learning active. Learn. Teaching and learning for stand some issue and educational technology focus on learning science, how to do people learn and how those technology. Skill. Skill required of education centrally connecting bows and arrows to a modern information-based teaching technique and methodologies could have fall under the definition of technology. Access, intertradition, and individualized learning continue to be trend in educational technology with effort such as massively. Community and professional. Instruction. Some initiative in educational technology emphasizes the role of creativity movement that have collectively been called the creator in society emphasis. Educational technology often talks about teaching and learning in the 21st century, but teaching with tools has always been a part of education. Many contemporary goals of educational technology, possibility for the use of such technology, and whether in cold or should play an even bigger role in teaching and learning. In some cases, the period permitted were dedicated efforts toward. And next, speaking of society, education dates back to ancient society, but the modern concept of educational technology began to take shape in the early. Educational technology refers to variety of electronic tools and applications that aid in delivering learning materials and supporting learning. Educational materials. Through carefully designed environment, this digital learning environment might academic day children diverse need and abilities by providing repetitive yet diverse and core competency. Scuppered their learning by including multimodal and adapted future and sustained in interest by incorporating educational concept in the context of play talking into account the far from ideal. Control effect in climate change in professional learning communities. Prior knowledge in the model might not be rich enough to provide representative account for prior knowledge effects on learning weight values. Some general consideration suggest the several experimental outcomes could be expected. One hand the prior and probability to general and unrelated. Encouraged appropriation per knowledge will probably include information about the direction of between learning the weight values, allowing more effective acquisition and of those values. If this were an accurate characterization, this any facilitation of prior knowledge should be primarily obtained on the initial system. Variance in the subject output responses reproduced by the first principal component in use to indicate the or intervening concept learning table show the percentage of variance reproduce the first principal component average. Most important finding was that use of highly familiar coverage story suggesting an intervening concept. The training with intervening factor casual environment was still necessary. And last, effective for student. Training was needed to learn how to apply this previously formed concept to that new laboratory and environment. The third possibility is that prior knowledge is not representative by the initial connection. Currently of definition, with strong career, placement rights, advisory board, connection need, focus real world, application mostly edtech program and a exceptional choice that those seeking to advance their degrees and impact the field of education. Expansion of society, comparing groups that differ prior knowledge measure research can access the impact of knowledge on text comprehension. Research infer the impact of the text on knowledge from the change in measure of prior knowledge before and after comprehension.